Did you know you can make dumplings in the air fryer? It comes out perfect every time. Let's see how to make healthy prawn dumplings, for which I'm cutting some spring onions and garlic cloves. I put everything in the food processor along with raw prawns, and then I add some seasoning, which for me today is soy sauce and sesame oil. I don't put any salt because soy sauce is already salty. Run the food processor until they are finely minced and mixed together to form a sticky paste. You can also do this process by hand by mincing the prawns finely. I love using rice paper to make my dumplings. Soak them in water for 5 seconds and then rinse off extra. They will become soft. Now it's time to fill them up and then wrap it. It's so easy that it seems like I'm doing kids craft. Just fold it the way I'm showing you. It's super easy and fun to make. You will find all the details and measurements on my blog post. Let's put them on a side and all my dumplings are prepared. Brush air fry basket with some sesame oil and then place your dumplings, leaving some space in the middle so that they don't touch each other. Brush the top with some more sesame oil. This will help them get crispy. Now let's air fry them at 180 degrees Celsius for just 10 minutes and they will all crisp up. Let's make a dipping sauce by putting some soy sauce, sesame oil, fried red chili for some heat. These dumplings come out perfect every time when they are done in the air fryer. They are healthy and oh so good. For more quick and delicious air fry recipes, please follow as I will be posting 30 different recipes in this series. Bye for now.